If you want to cast a screen of your Android phone into your Xiaomi TV A Series, first of all, on your Android phone, you have to open the settings, you have to go for network and internet, open internet, make sure that the Wi-Fi is turned on and you are connected to the Wi-Fi network, the same that you are connected into your TV. So on your Xiaomi TV, you can do this or check this by clicking on the settings icon on the remote controller. Now click for the Wi-Fi over here. And now, when you got the Wi-Fi, you have to make sure, like in my case, that you are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Now, when you are connected, you have to simply go into the settings on your Android phone, but we have to search for some kind of the connected devices or connection preferences. You are looking for Google Cast, Screencast, Screen Mirroring, or Smart View. It actually depends on your phone model. In this smartphone, in the Google Pixel, I have to go for connection preferences, go for Google Cast, and I have to select my TV from available devices list. If it is not visible, then sometimes on your phone, you have to also enable the Bluetooth. So make sure that the Bluetooth is enabled. And now just go back for the Google Cast, select your TV. Now you can choose if you want to cast entire screen or single application. And now click to cast screen. Now just wait for this. And as you can see, we are successfully connected. If I'm gonna go back into wallpaper, into the home screen, here we are. Now, if I want to, for example, stop casting the screen, I have to click over here and I have to click to stop casting. Thanks for watching this video.